Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, October the 1st at Dollar General, and I have a total of 6 awesome deals to share with you all. One is as low as 16 cents per item. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so because we are so close to getting to 30,000 Craz-E couponers. I think we are around 100 subscribers away, so if you are not already subscribed, please hit that big red subscribe button. It is right down below this video. And then while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright, now first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan. You want to scan each and every item to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, for our first few deals, we're going to be going over some gain scenarios. So again, I just want to say it again. It is very important to scan, especially when you're doing gain deals because you want to make sure that that gain 5 off 30 DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product because that gain DG store coupon does not always work with all of the gain products or all of the gain scented products. So y'all make sure that you scan, and if you're not sure that you scanned it the first time, go ahead and do it again just to be on the safe side. Alright, so for our first gain deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $15.95. You can choose from the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, or the fireworks. Then you want to pick up a Gain laundry product priced at $7.50. There's a lot included at this price point, so you can pick up the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, the fireworks, the dryer sheets, or the fabric softeners. Then you want to pick up a Gain scented Febreze plug-in 1-count refill at $5.50. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon and your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 3 off 1 Gain, the 2 off 1 Gain, the 250 off 1 Febreze, the 2 off 1 Febreze small spaces, the 1 off 1 Vicks product, the 1 off 1 Crest, the 1 off 1 Oral-B, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $12.70 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.58 each. And then you want to pick up one of the Gain Scented Febreze small spaces at $3.25. Then we're going to throw in these freebies. So we have the Vicks VapoCool 20-count cough drops for $1 found in the dollar aisle. The Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 also in the dollar aisle. One of the Oral-B Bright and Clean or Healthy and Clean toothbrushes for $1. And then one of the Crest travel size mouthwashes at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $36.20. Alright, now for our second gain scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50 each. Again, there are a lot that y'all can choose from with that. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain scented Febreze plug-in 1-count refills at $5.50. One of the Gain scented Febreze small spaces at $3.25. One of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25. One of the Gain scented Swiffer duster starter kits at $4.50. One of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1. One of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. One of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, and one of the Crest travel size mouthwash for $1. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $35.50. And again, if y'all can't find those 4 freebies, we are just throwing those in just because they're free this week. So if you can't find them, no worries, just leave them off of the scenario and you're still going to be good to go. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry, the 250 off 1 Febreze plug-in, the 2 off 1 Febreze small spaces, the 50 cent off 1 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Swiffer, the 1 off 1 Vicks product, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $13.50 for all 10 items, making each one just $1.35 each. Alright, now for our third gain scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze plug-in starter kits at $6 each, one of the Gain Scented Febreze 1-count plug-in refills at $5.50, 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze small spaces at $3.25 each, one of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops at $1, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, one of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, and one of the Crest travel size mouthwash for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $35.50. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 gain and your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 gain, 2 of the 3 off 1 Febreze plug-in starter kit insert coupons, and I put that it's from the P&G insert, but I'm pretty sure I made a mistake there, and that coupon is actually in the 925 save insert. Then you're going to need that 250 off 1 Febreze plug-in refill digital coupon, 2 of the 2 off 1 Febreze small spaces coupons, and those are found in the P&G insert, the 1 off 1 Vicks, the 1 off 1 Crest, the 1 off 1 Oral-B, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to just $7 for all 10 items, making each one just 70 cents each. All right, now that we are through with all of our gain scenarios, I wanted to take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me. If you haven't already, right now would be the perfect time to do that, because y'all know seeing those smiles absolutely make my day, and boy, have I had a day today. So leave me some smiles down in the comment section below, and let's go ahead and get back into these deals. All right, now this week at Dollar General, we have a lot of really good household deals. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls at $5.95, 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps at $3 each, 2 of the Hefty storage bags, those are on sale, 2 for $5, and 3 of the Scent Happy hand soaps. Those are normally $2.25 each, but they're on sale, buy 2 and get 1 for free. So when we're putting together our scenarios, we always go by that sale price. So all 3 of those are going to ring up at $4.50. And then we're going to throw in those 4 freebies for this week. So we're going to throw in the Vicks cough drops for $1, the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, the Oral-B toothbrush for $1, and the Crest travel size mouthwash for $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $25.45. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the buy 1 get 1 free Palmolive and Ajax. That coupon is going to take off $3. The 2 off 2 Hefty storage bags, the 3 for 4 Scent Happy hand soaps. That coupon is going to take off $2.75. Now, I want to take a quick pause right here because I did have a couple of people who had some issues adding in the hand soaps to their scenarios last Saturday, all right? So, remember, if you're adding in those hand soaps, they are on sale. So, you want to put those 3 hand soaps down at their sale price. All 3 would be $4.50. And then you have to figure out how much this coupon is actually taking off. So, this coupon, the 3 for 4 coupon, is taking off a total of $2.75. So hopefully that will help clear up some of the confusion around the Happy hand soaps, all right? Now back to our list, you're going to need that 1 off 1 Vicks coupon, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $7.70 for all 12 items, making each one just 64 cents each. And I think this is a great deal. All right, now for our next scenario, we have a little personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Tone body washes priced at $3.65, 2 of the Suave pink shampoos at $4.45 each, 1 of the Eucerin lotions priced at $5.85, 1 of the Nivea lip balms priced at $2, 2 of the Old Spice travel size deodorants priced at $1.25 each, 2 of the Absorbent patches, those are $1 each, 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops at $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, 1 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1, and 1 of the Crest travel size mouthwash for $1. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $28.90. And we have $2 in instant savings for the Suave products. So when you spend $8 on Suave, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. So that's going to come off, and your new subtotal is going to be $26.90. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Tone body wash, the 2 off 6 Suave DG store coupon, the 3 off 1 Eucerin lotion, the 1 off 1 Nivea lip balm, the 1 off 2 Old Spice products, the 75-cent off 2 Absorbent products, the 1 off 1 Vicks, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $9.15 for all 13 items. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.50 rebate back on the Suave pink shampoos. So you're going to submit a receipt to Ibotta, get $3 back, and that's going to make your final price $6.15 for 13 items, making each one just 47 cents each. All right, and last but certainly not least, for our final scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave pink shampoos priced at $4.45 each, 1 of the Shea Moisture bar soaps at $6, 1 of the Suave body wash at $2, 3 of the Scent Happy hand soaps at $4.50, 1 of the Febreze small spaces at $3.25, 1 of the Bounty Essential 1-count paper towels for $1, 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, 1 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, and 1 of the Crest travel size mouthwash for $1. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $29.65. And we have $4 in instant savings coming off first at the register for the Shea Moisture and Suave products. And that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.65. All right, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 6 Suave products, the 3.50 off 1 Shea Moisture product, the 1 off 1 Suave product, the 3 for 4 cent Happy Hand soaps, the 2 off 1 Febreze Small Spaces, 25 cent off 1 Bounty product, the 1 off 1 Vicks, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $5.15 for all 13 items. But this still gets even better because, like I said before, right now on Ibotta, we have that $1.50 rebate back for the Suave Pink shampoos. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $3 back, and that's going to make your final price just $2.15 for all 13 items, making each one just 16 cents each. So how awesome is that? Now, I know that there are some of you crazy couponers out there who are looking for even more awesome deals to do this weekend, and if that is you, don't worry about it because you know your girl's got you covered. Just make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video because I'm going to have the links to all of my videos that I've uploaded this week linked for you right down below in that very first comment. Now, if y'all haven't been watching these videos this week, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all you are missing out on some really awesome deals. Now, I covered a total of 3 stores for you all this week. We have Family Dollar. In that video, I do have some 5 off $25 scenarios. I'll go over all of the good deals, the glitches, the freebies, and we also have some exclusive coupons. And then I also covered Walgreens this week, going over all of the best coupon matches, glitches, and rebates that we have going on there. And I did make a trip out to Walgreens this week. I did 2 transactions. One turned out to be super, super cheap. The other one turned out to be a pretty good little moneymaker. So I will be posting pictures of my hauls in the community tab later on this evening. So y'all be on the lookout for that. And then, of course, at the beginning of the week, I went over the good deals and glitch list for Dollar General because we have an absolute ton of awesome deals going on there. So if y'all need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, that would be the perfect video to go back and check out. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned and make sure that you have those notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video because I'm going to try my best to stay up late tonight and put together a quick Ibotta haul video for you all because we have an absolute ton of awesome deals at Walmart right now with Ibotta rebates. And plus, I have really been wanting to chit-chat with y'all about all the craziness that is going on with Ibotta right now and give y'all my thoughts and how I think it's going to end up in the end. So, y'all stick around for that one. And before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Good luck with your deals, and I will see you on the next one.